Good morning, Sir Rana Sishan. Thank you for dropping by my live presentation. Highly appreciated. I will give you a moderator badge so that you can connect to all the peoples in the comment section. Thank you to my 5 viewers in the house. Time check, it's already 2:45 ng umaga. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama niyo po sa akin ngayong umaga. Yes, sir. Rana Sishan, I will subscribe you also. I will support you back. Thank you for coming my live presentation for this morning. Opo, Ma'am Lucy Doro, maraming salamat po. Good morning po, Sir Amelito, Fontanilla Vlogs. Hi po, good morning. Daan lang po. Okay lang po. Maraming salamat po, Sir Amelito. Highly appreciated po. Balikan ko po kayo after po ng aking live. Thank you, Sir Rana Sishan, for connecting to Ma'am Lucidoro. Highly recommended. Ma'am Lucidoro is legit risk backer and legit YouTuber. Also, Sir Amelito Fontanilla Vlogs is highly recommended legit YouTuber and legit risk backer. Maraming salamat po sa pag-like, Sir Amelito Fontanilla Vlogs. Highly appreciated po. Lu, subscribe please my YouTube channel. Yeah, Ma'am Lucy Sidoro will support you back, Sir Rana Sishan. Thank you so much. Back to sleep. Good night. Good morning, Sir Amelito Fontanilla Vlogs. Good morning po. Host, subscribe please my YouTube channel. Yes, I will, Sir Rana Sishan. Will, Sir